So I've arrived in Prague. I had a long day of teaching and then I had to go up to Stansted Airport and then jump on a plane, which was of course delayed. But now finally I'm here. It is very snowy and luckily I only just have to go right there. And then in the morning I'm right here at the train station. Okay, I think that's all for today. Night! Day 2 in Prague and I'm on my way to Pilsen for an audition. Just on the train. Have my beverages. And it's about an hour and a half. So I might have a nap. Okay, so I finished the audition. It was a little bit annoying because we only did bar work and then we had to hang around for an hour. And they're like, get ready for class, put your point shoes on, blah blah blah. And then they cut us. They probably cut half, yeah, about half of 70 people. So no one was very happy with that. I've just done a bit of wandering around Pilsen and now I'm going to head back to Prague. Wanted one of these. Looks like a massive cinnamon donut. I'll let you know how it is. Well, this is delicious, but my favorite thing in Prague, let's see, is covered in scaffolding. It's a bit of a shame. It's an Easter tree. This is my hotel. It's pretty cool actually. There's supposed to be 5 people sleeping here, but as you can see, quite empty. I don't want to jinx it. I'm sleeping up there. It's pretty cool. Cozy little bed here. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you.